Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use Top Cashback UK. So in order to use Top Cashback UK, you'll need to follow this step. First of all, you need to visit the website. So for that, open up a browser and then on the web address bar, type in Top Cashback. And that's going to direct you to the official page. So go ahead and tap on the link, and here you'll be able to see the interface something like this. Now first thing first, you have to create an account. After that, you need to log in into your account. Once you're created your account, then you need to choose an offer that interests you. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, including any specific requirement or restrictions for earning cashback. You can click on the offer to activate it. This will typically redirect you to the retailer's website where you can make a purchase or sign up for a service as well. Then you need to complete your purchase or transaction on a retailer website as you normally would, and ensure that you follow any instructions provided by the Top Cashback to ensure your cashback is tracked correctly. After that, you have to make your purchase. Wait for the Top Cashback to track your cashback. This process may take some time depending on a retailer and the terms of the offer. Now once your purchase is confirmed, the cashback is credited to you to your Top Cashback account. You can withdraw the cashback to your balance account and the PayPal account, or redeem it for gift card or other reward. After that, you can explore the cashback offer on Top Cashback and continue earning cashback on your purchase. So that's basically how you can use Top Cashback UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.